Hey guys, we're here today. We are trying to do a prank on my older brother. I have to be quiet because he's right over there in the bathroom. So we're all going to run out of the house except me because I'm filming. So I'm going to film from up here. And we're all going to be like, fire, fire. And we're going to play fire alarm noise on this loud speaker. And he's probably going to freak out. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
Get out! David!
Fire! All right.
I'm a genius.
Oh, guys, that was so funny. Please like this video. Peace. Alright, bye, guys. I hope you liked that prank. Funniest prank I probably ever seen and did. So, yeah, peace.